in our region in general. The meeting also emphasized the importance of extending, as I have said, the SGR from Naivasha to Malaba, but all the way to Kampala and DRC as an efficient and sustainable infrastructural artery for the transformation of goods. We have obliged our to take joint urgent measures to mobilize resources for the implementation of this regional shared infrastructure and report on progress by the end of this year. As pertains our regional agenda, President Museveni and I appreciated the benefits and power of our close coordination with respect to the East African Community, Intergovernmental Authority on Development, and the Africa Union and other regional organizations, which we recognize as the building block of the greater integration of countries at the continental national level. I appreciate tremendous President Museveni's and selfless dedication to building a robust East African community